Today we're talking about cafe mocha. Do you love chocolate? Cafe mocha is a perfect coffee drink for you. It contains chocolate, espresso with milk. I'm about to show you the easiest recipe that we use in our coffee shop in a rush hour to make a great cup of cafe mocha. Did you know cafe mocha is one of the most common coffee drinks that you can find in every coffee shop across the world? Cafe mocha originated from Italy, where it's called the mochaccino, but across the world it has other names like the cafe mocha. It's basically a coffee containing espresso, chocolate and milk. So this is the simple recipe that we use in our coffee shop to make a great cup of cafe mocha, whether ice or hot. We're going to start by extracting both of our shots of espresso, and we're going to use our chocolate powder. Chocolate powder is very important because it's our main ingredient. We are making the cafe mocha, which is natural and unsweetened, which is the perfect choice for our customers because some of the customers like sweetened cafe mocha and some of the customers don't like it sweet. So using this chocolate powder is the perfect choice. We can easily make both of the sweet and unsweetened cafe mocha to our customers. If you want to have the same taste of the cafe mocha that we serve in our coffee shop, I will link this chocolate powder in the description below. You can check it out after this video. Starting with the hot one, we're going to extract our espresso, then steam our chocolate powder together with the milk so that we can make it hot and make hot cafe mocha. So we're going to start by extracting our double shot of espresso, the one we're going to use to make our cafe mocha. Then we're going to need our milk jug, then add in our milk. You can use the non-dairy milk alternative, it works well with the cafe mocha. Then we're going to use 2 teaspoonfuls of our chocolate powder to make our cafe mocha. If you want it sweet, you can add a sugar syrup. This is the sugar syrup we're going to use. We're going to measure 30 ml of our sugar syrup so that we can make our cafe mocha sweet. Then we're going to steam it. Purge your steam, then start your steaming process. We steam our cafe mocha so that it can be evenly mixed and also to make it hot. So make sure not to burn up your milk. So a 65 to 70 degree temperature is a perfect one when we are steaming our cafe mocha. Then we'll mix it in our espresso so that we can create a good latte art of our cafe mocha. As simple as this, you can make a hot cafe mocha. Next, we're going to make our iced cafe mocha. We're going to use the same chocolate powder with milk, steam it together, but this time around we're going to use ice so that we can make our iced cafe mocha. So we're going to start by adding our ice into our glass that we're going to use for our iced mocha so that it can be cold. Then we're going to measure 3 teaspoonfuls of our chocolate powder, then add in our milk. For our iced cafe mocha, we're not going to add our sugar syrup, so it's going to be the unsweetened cafe mocha. Then we're going to steam it. So we steam it basically not to heat it up so much. We just steam it so that the chocolate can be even mixed very well in the milk. Then we're going to pour it on top of our ice. Then we're going to extract our espresso. We're going to use a double shot of espresso for our iced cafe mocha. Then we'll pour it on top. Then garnish it with a bit of chocolate powder to give it that amazing look. As simple as this, you can make a great tasting iced cafe mocha. So this is the simple recipe that you can use to make an iced and a hot cafe mocha in no time, and it will give that perfect taste which is well mixed and well balanced. You can taste the chocolatey taste and also a bit of the coffee. You can make it iced and hot, or sweet or unsweetened. But an additional tip, if you want to upgrade the way you make your cafe mocha, this is one of the easiest ways that you can create an amazing latte art on a hot cafe mocha, which looks like this. For you to be able to make a great latte art on your hot cafe mocha, which is very clean and clear, you're going to start by measuring our 2 teaspoonfuls of our chocolate powder, extract a double shot of espresso on top of our chocolate, then mix it very well so that you can create that perfect base that is going to enable you to make a good latte art. Then we're going to steam our milk. We're going to steam it evenly so that you can create that silky texture for making a good latte art. After steaming our milk, clean your steam wand, purge it so that you can keep it always clean. Then we're going to make our latte art. Swirl your espresso with the chocolate, which is your base, then start mixing, and we're going to make a tulip swan latte art. As simple as this, you can create a good latte art as clean as you can see. This is the easy way that you can upgrade your hot cafe mocha with an amazing latte art. One of the key things if you're to make a perfect cup of coffee, whether it's a cafe mocha, cappuccino, flat white, latte, many coffee lovers are changing their choice of milk from the full fat milk to the non-dairy milk alternative. But this comes with a challenge because it's not easy for you to choose the right non-dairy milk alternative. Not every milk that you see in your local grocery is made for coffee. So for you to be able to choose the right blend which matches well with your coffee, you can check out this video. I'll link it up here. It's a full guide on which blend the non-dairy milk alternative works well with your coffee so that you can have the perfect taste into your cup of coffee.